Hey friends, it's Kelly. Today I'm going to give you an instructional video on how to put on your Lipsense. The proper way to get it on. I'm using blue red, so wish me luck. I hope I don't mess up. First thing you want to do is shake. You can hear that there's a little ball in the tube. First thing you want to do is shake it up and get it all mixed up. And then you're going to apply your Lipsense in 3 layers. Yes, it's important. There's like a scientific reason behind each layer. So 3 layers. Remember to think of Lipsense kind of like a dry erase marker. So if you keep going back and forth, you're just kind of rubbing it off, putting it back on. Just try to do it smoothly if you can. Good luck with that. Can you see that the wand is shaped with a tip? You can line with that tip a little, and that will help, especially with the color like blue-red. Part your lips. One time when I first started, I was kind of like this, and when I was done, the wrinkles were like not colored. So part your lips, soften them up, don't pucker and make wrinkles on your lips. This is hard into a phone. Okay, now I'll color inside. So there's layer 1. Maybe it only takes like 10 seconds to dry. It's dry. Did you see that? I went back and forth. I still do it sometimes. It is super tacky and sticky right now. You need to seal it with your Lipsense gloss. And it's on. Now your gloss can be worn without a color. You could wear the gloss just bare. You cannot wear this color without a gloss. You can't even talk really. It's like too sticky. So the great starter kit is 3 things. It's the color, the gloss, and the oops remover, especially if you're getting a dark color like this. Otherwise, you're good to go. From there, you just keep getting colors and different colored glosses and make all the combinations you'd like. And, as always, smudge proof.